Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, I'm part of a collaboration called So You Think You Can Craft, and that's hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY. Now the co-host of this collaboration is called I Put the O in Mom. Isn't that adorable? Now this is a monthly collab and every month is a theme. So the theme for this month is craft sticks. Okay, so let's jump right into this video. So Walmart carries these giant craft sticks and we're gonna go ahead and make a wall decor piece using them. So let me get started. So I took the craft sticks and I lined them across in a row, and then I placed one craft stick along the top and one along the bottom to hold everything together, and I did use hot glue, as you can see, and I did that in the front and the back for stability. And then what we're going to do next is go ahead and paint it. Okay, so we're gonna start coloring these craft sticks in the, I believe it's called Cameo Pink, and it's from Apple Barrel, and I also got that from Walmart. Okay, so now those two hearts right there, I purchased from Michael when they were having their 70% off sale on their holiday stuff. So these were actually ornaments for the tree. We're gonna use them for this decor piece. So I also decided to grab two different color Apple Barrel paints, one in red and that turquoise, to give it like the conversation hearts type of color decor piece, and so that's what I decided to go with here. So one heart will be in red and the other one will be in that turquoise. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying this assortment of love signs inside of this packet. I'm not even sure how many you get, but anyway, they do come like in red and pink or just plain wood cut. So we're going to be using one of those, and I think we're using that in red. And then we're also going to make a bow using one of the burlap ribbons with the lace from the Dollar Tree. And then we're going to embellish the center with one of the embellishment I purchased at the Dollar Tree also. So I cannot wait for you to see this bow.